Testing can often be a time-consuming task that distracts you from addressing the core challenges of your product. However, neglecting testing altogether can have disastrous consequences. That's where Symflower comes in. We understand the need to fast-track your testing efforts without compromising on quality. Symflower supports the most popular Java technologies and seamlessly integrates into your favorite IDE. The plugin helps you redirect your efforts from testing to more exciting challenges through adding 3 new features: Generate Test Template, Generate Test Suite, and Test-Backed Diagnostics. Generate Test Template helps you write new test cases faster. Symflower generates all the boilerplate code for you. That includes imports, object initializations, function calls, and more. All that's left for you to do is add values to your new test case. With Generate Test Suite, Symflower generates a complete test suite in no time. Symflower computes test values that execute all the unique paths of your code. You can easily review these generated test cases, and you decide which tests you want to include in your test suite. Test-backed diagnostics help you discover potential runtime exceptions as you code. Symflower detects null pointer exceptions, out-of-bounds exceptions, and more in real time. All of those will be highlighted right in your editor. To reproduce them instantly, you can just switch to the corresponding generated test case. Unlike other code generation tools, Symflower works 100% locally on your device. Your source code stays with you and is never transferred to third parties. Are you ready to shift time from testing to more exciting challenges without sacrificing quality? Try Symflower now.